day 54 of my weight loss journey. I still don't want to do some leg exercises because I can still feel the cramps on my left leg. I did today one carry this 20 kilos of kettlebell and did some shoulder workouts. So what I did was the 12, 12 repetitions for 3 sets. I'm just doing this with the kettlebell. Felt good on my shoulders, and so yeah, but I think I will need to research more on what other beginner workouts I can do on the kettlebell. But yeah, I really want to do plyometrics, but I don't want to get injured, and I guess it feel the cramps on my left leg, as I said. So we need to rest it a bit for 2 to 3 days, I think. I did some walk, but it's just 1.5 kilometers for now. And then after that, I did the shadow boxing and the kettlebell workout. So that's day 54. See you on day 55.